YouTube? How's it going? Spec M Auto is back with some videos today. That's right, videos. Not all of them are going to be posted today. This is going to be the start of maybe a 3 to 4 part series on the Corvette. That's right, the Corvette that was previously featured on this channel is now going to have its own little series. Basically, my buddy Isaiah started the process of restoring the interior of his car the cheap way. And we're going to find out through this 3 or 4 part series on how he restores the interior of his car in a cheap way. So, let's go ahead and get started on that. I hope you guys enjoy the videos. Let's get started.
Looks like I might have to remove this whole piece of trim to get to that. I can.
I was gonna say, maybe just yank the bitch out.
I have to take the trim back off to get it in, but we'll get to that when we get to that. Whatever the fuck that was.
Looks like a clip.
Yeah. Hey, look at that. That's why my rear defrost doesn't work.
Was it unplugged?
Yeah.
I guess plug the bitch back in, it might work.
I'm sure it does. I get a pair of pliers on it.
Goodbye to the old insulation. I have to like put my hand over the camera. So
You can get it on the driver's side.
yeah, that's true. Are you just gonna say fuck it and rip the rest of that out? Since you already ripped most of it out.
I mean, this is good right here.
So you're thinking about keeping that?
I might take my knife and...
Well, there's like a little bit of there's a little moldy part on the bottom towards the back.
Yeah. I'm just gonna cut it if I can.
With how old and fragile that crap is, it probably won't be hard to cut.
Apparently my blade's dull as fuck.
Apparently my camera has a time limit now because of storage space. I guess I'll have to delete some old footage that I already edited and uploaded because I haven't gotten around to clearing my space up yet. Oh man, that camera just shook.
The other side looks halfway decent. Not moldy.
Maybe you can work it out to where you can keep that side and maybe that side there and just replace the part you tore up. I don't know.
I wonder what I'd even replace it with. We'll find out.
You can always buy like little rolls of that carpet insulation crap from like Right Rug or something maybe.
Oh yeah, that's probably what I'll do.
They sell that kind of stuff up there by Meyer.
I'll try and reshape it to where it was factory. Okay, all of this is coming out and getting replaced.
Alright, man.
I feel like fucking with it. It's all old and nasty. It's replaced anyway. Might get some stick on insulation.
Yeah, like I said a couple minutes ago, I'm like, you know, you can just, it'll probably get rid of that old musty smell.
So this is clean underneath.
Yeah, that's true. I don't see any rust or anything like that.
Those can stay. Damn, I need to get a heater for in here.
Same.
That will be on my to-do list.
You know what you could have done?
What's up?
You could have went to Randy and be like, can I borrow your heater?
He's probably using it.
Is he out there right now?
That man's always working on something, so probably. He's got customer cars.
Was he like that backyard mechanic that everybody trusts?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he used to own his own shop.
Hmm.
From what Dad tells me. Is that my dad?
Yep, I think.
And fucking a toy kept going off in this garage over here. freaking out, saying, come and play with me. I'm like, bitch, I'm working on my car. And I ignored it the first time. Alright, kept working on it. Ignored it the second time. Kept working on my car. The third time that bitch went off, I was out of here. Ain't no haunted toys gonna follow me home.
Has it done it since?
No, not since I've been down here. But it was freaky.
Did it only happen at night?
Yeah, it was like midnight too. Me and Keisha were all broke down here working on the vet. And it just started happening. Oh, I got clean. I might put the dartboard up. Maybe we can play some darts while we're waiting for paint to dry.
Yeah. That'd be pretty lit. I haven't played darts in a good minute, but I feel like I do pretty good at it. I think the last time I played darts, it was back at like, where was it? It was at Cedar Point back in the summertime. And the very first hit I did on the dartboard, it was like right in the center, bullseye.
Nice.
Yeah, man, it's crazy. Hanging on a nail or something?
Yeah, but like it's backwards. Hell yeah! It ain't a garage till it's got a dartboard and a wheel clock.
For sure, man, for sure.
Inside the car. Self-situated here.
So, quick question for you. So, since the last time I was down here filming, what all did you get done so far for this?
We've just cleaned the carpets and got like almost done redyeing all of them. You can see them. Here, I'll take it out to the sunlight. It looks really good in the sun. Black. They black again, not gray anymore.
Yeah, they were getting all faded there for a minute.
They're nasty. So we got that done. We got both sides done. One door panel needs a little more done to it. The back half has a section that needs done up here. And today I'm gonna try to clean out all the old insulation and the nastiness off the floor and everything. I need to get my speakers, the new speakers mounted in there, but I don't want to do that until I accidentally keep forgetting the connectors in my toolbox at work, but I'm going to get actual connectors on the wires instead of just twisting them on there, because even though it probably won't hurt anything, I'll know it's down there and I won't like it if it's not right.
Yeah, I feel it.
There's the old radio. I think I did that after you were here. Pulled the radio out of it.
Alright.
That nasty wiring harness. I would never do that to my car. That's a shame.
Yeah, that radio is like 19 years old.
Yeah, was it 2000?
Yeah, I think it said September or something like that.
Yeah, September of 2000. It's 20 years old.
And it's as ancient as me.